Hi, I'm Dr. Ram. Today I want to discuss some myths about diabetes. Firstly, many of us believe that diabetes occurs only when you have a strong family history, which is absolutely wrong. Some people, if they have detected diabetes, they feel, what, my parents don't have diabetes, how can I have? See, any person can have diabetes, but people whose parents have diabetes are more prone for getting diabetes, but that doesn't mean that others cannot get diabetes. People who have a bad lifestyle and who eat more sugars, not sugars absolutely, who had a bad lifestyles, who don't exercise properly, will have diabetes. So you need to check your sugars frequently. Once you cross 35 years of age, have screening for diabetes at least once in 6 months, so that you can come to know about your diabetes status. Second myth about diabetes is, people say that I'll get to know if I have diabetes because diabetes produces frequent urination, lot of hunger, frequent thirst, but this happens in very few percentage of patients. Many people with diabetes don't have any symptoms, but if it is undetected and not treated properly, the chance of landing in the complications due to diabetes like heart attacks, early renal failures, diabetic neuropathies, non-healing ulcers will be on the rise. So have early detection of diabetes by having frequent screening for diabetes once you cross 35 years of age. Third myth about diabetes is, people who have diabetes will have frequent infections. No, it's absolutely wrong. People with diabetes or without diabetes, the chance of getting any infection is equal. But people, as they get older, the chance of getting urinary tract infections will be on the rise, because even though even non-diabetic patients will have frequent urine infections once they become old, but normal people and diabetic people, if you compare head to head, to what is the difference? People with diabetes, if they have infections, the chance of getting cured, it will not get cured very easily. So you need high doses and long duration of medicines if you have diabetes with infections. Whereas non-diabetic person, they can get easily cured with infections. So the chance of the complications of infections will be on rise in diabetes, but the frequency of infections will be same in diabetic and non-diabetic level when the patients are young. But when the patients become old, then things may change. The next myth about diabetes is caused by eating too much sugars. It's absolutely wrong. There are people who eat kilos of sugars but they don't get diabetes. But there are people who maintain extreme strict diet but still they get diabetes, because the chance of having diabetes is actually detected by the genes. So the genes determine the cause of diabetes, but don't mean that all the genes are hereditary. All hereditary problems are genetic, but all genetic problems are not hereditary. So diabetes, the chance of having diabetes is basically determined by the genes, but lifestyle factors add to the insult. So they are only modifying factors, but they are not absolute causative factors. So diabetes is caused mainly because of the problems in the genes, and lifestyle changes can only delay the onset of diabetes. So diabetes is not caused by eating too much of sugars. It is actually the genetic problem, but eating too much sugars will add to the insult. The next myth about diabetes is that diabetics can't have normal diet, which is absolutely wrong. Diabetes can have normal diet bearing some sugars, that means sweets, etc. But they can have whole grains, they can have fruits, they can have vegetable salads, etc. So diabetic diet is very, very close to normal diet, but the only difference is that it is diet in diabetes is in small frequent meals. That means once in every 3-4 hours you need to have a small quantity of food, and that food rich in whole grains and salads, and you need to have fruits, which is extremely important in preventing the end organ damages and the complications of diabetes. So have at least 200 grams of fruits every day. But fruits with high glycemic index should be taken at moderation. That means like fruits with high glycemic index like banana, grapes, etc. should be had once in 4-5 days. But fruits with low glycemic index like papaya, apple should be taken every day. So all the diet should include whole grains, vegetables and fruits and milk, egg whites, etc., which is almost close to the normal diet. The only thing you should avoid artificial sweets which contains artificial sweetness, artificial colors and artificial flavors. So these produces early target organ damages and they land in early complications. So diabetics don't have very special diets. The diet in diabetes is extremely close to the normal diet. So diets rich in vegetables, fruits, egg whites, milk should be taken. Especially arthritis is of various kinds. There is inflammatory arthritis and degenerative arthritis.